Hello, techies. You guys are on a mission to help me develop this Google site that will represent all staff members at Lamar Middle School and their alma maters and their collegiate backgrounds. So, what you guys need to do is go to your Google Drive. There should be two different ways that you get to the site that is shared for you guys. If y'all click on these the square of boxes in the top right hand corner, you guys have a mail option for email. If you click on that, I'll probably give you a notification that I've shared a site with you all. The other possibility is that you have an icon there for sites, so you can choose either way to get there. I'm going to go to sites. So one of the sites that you should have in your list will say LMS Staff Collegiate History. You're going to select that. And this is what it should look like. So basically what we're going to do is a Google site, and over here on the left hand side will be every staff member's name for Lamar. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do that. So this is the home page. Y'all don't have to do anything with this. All you are doing are adding sites. So this is the home page. Y'all don't have to do anything to the home page. All you're going to do will be to add a page for every staff member. In order to add a page, top right hand corner, you see the icon that looks like a sheet of paper with the plus sign. If you hover over it, it says new page. You're going to click on new page. Since most of you guys are working together, you're going to have one person inside the Google site, and the other person is going to have the Lamar website open. Just go to Irving ISD, click on Schools, Lamar Middle School. Over here on the left hand side you see Faculty, and we're going to go to Faculty Contacts. This is a list of every person in the building. I've recently updated this, so I should have everybody covered. So the first person was Miss Anderson, and I've already added a page for her. So you guys are going to go to Gladys Alvarez, and you're going to create a page for her. So all you have to do is last name first. Actually, let's go first name. Oh, actually, let's go last name. Just put, oh, never mind. First name, then last name. So when you create the page, you're going to do first name, then last name. Please make sure you check for spelling. You're going to leave the template to be used as a web page. And for the location, you're going to leave it as put page at the top. So all you're doing is titling each page. You're not going to change any of the other settings. You hit create. I'm hoping that this will keep this in the same order, because I do want it in alpha order. If it changes, I'll let you guys know. So what you're going to do is you're going to change this page to, let's see, it looks like it already opens up in an edit mode because you can see save and cancel here. So you're already in edit. And what you're going to do is you're going to, for the layout, you're going to change it to 3 columns. In the first column, and these are just notes, I want a picture of the college, university symbol or mascot. So for OU, most likely the pictures you could find online will just be a big O and a U. For TCU, you can probably find a picture on Google that has the horned frog with TCU written on it. So there's some kind of image that will represent that college or the university. Then you're going to go to Google Classroom. I know you are going to a lot of different places. You're going to go to Google Classroom, and I've shared a spreadsheet with you guys that contains all the staff information. Okay, so if you go to Google Classroom, I will try my best not to put any other posts. Actually, the only other thing I'll add to your Google Classroom is this video, so you can know how to edit the site. But you're going to use this spreadsheet. It says, where did you go to college? In order to view where all the teachers went. when you open up the spreadsheet, you have tabs down here at the bottom: 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, multi-grade level teachers, electives, and administration. So for everyone that is on here, you need to create a page. If you create a page for a teacher and then we end up not getting their college information, we'll just go through and delete them out of there later. So from looking on this, you have the teacher name. You're going to provide the undergrad information along with the picture, the degrees that they earned. If they have a graduate college, you need to put the image in the same box as the undergrad college. So you'll go undergrad and then graduate school. In the center column, you're going to put the degrees that they earned for each and try to make them line up. And then in the last box, you're going to put their educational quotes. So it's going to look like this. So we're going to do picture for their undergrad college. Now, not everyone has a graduate class, but if they do, you'd put the graduate college image here. Over here, you can put the degrees earned. So for the first college, I want the degree to go right across from that image, and then you might have to push enter a couple times and put the degrees earned for graduate. And then in the last box, you need to put the quotes that the teachers provided. For now, let's keep everything normal for the font choice. I do want to make the size a 16 to make it a little bit larger and easier to read. I'm going to work on this kind of with you guys when I get time. So you'll have a couple examples there. If you have any questions, y'all can shoot me an email, or if you're in the office with me, just ask me a question. We really are going to try and get this done by Friday of this week. And then next week, we're going to work on taking each teacher's webpage and turning it into a QR code that's going to be printed and placed on the teacher's door. Thanks for y'all's help, and I'll be excited to see what y'all can do. Make sure that when you work in a Google site, it's not like Google Docs where it saves automatically. Before you close or move on, you must hit the save button. A lot of times they'll ask you if you want to leave the page or not. You don't. Please make sure you save before you exit the page.